Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use Signify's fillable fields. Form fields are really handy when you're preparing a document on Signify and need to include information that changes, like a name, a date, or a signature. Let's start by creating a new document and adding recipients. In this example, I'll add myself and my colleague. Now let's open the document. As you can see, I've uploaded a draft and left blank spaces where information should go. Those are exactly the spots where we'll add our fields. There are two main types of fields, sender fields and recipient fields. Recipient fields let others fill in information directly on the document. Sender fields let you enter details before sending it out. This is especially useful if you're creating templates and want to fill in some data beforehand. We have another video about templates if you'd like to learn more. Let's take a closer look at how fields work. Right now, I have my first recipient selected. Here's the list of fields assigned to them. I'll start with the signature field, click it and place it where the signature should appear. Now I'll switch to Olivia and do the same for her. Notice the colors. Each recipient's fields are color-coded so you can easily tell them apart. And of course, recipients can only interact with their own fields. Next, let's add a name field. I can drag it onto the document, resize it, and adjust the layout. If you can't find a specific type of field, you can always use a text field and customize it. For example, I can rename it address right from the settings. We also have a date field that lets the recipient choose a date easily. And an automatic signature date field, this one fills in automatically when the document is signed. If you want recipients to select from preset options, use a drop-down field. You can edit the list and add your own values. For single choices, use radio buttons. If you'd like them to select multiple options, go with checkboxes. You can even make one or more selections required, for example, ask them to choose at least one option. There are also upload fields, like one for a stamp or an attachment. Recipients can use these to upload files, images, or any other type of document. You can leave a small note too, for example, upload your ID card. Each field can be marked as required or optional. If a required field isn't filled in, the recipient won't be able to sign until it's complete. You can also make quick edits to multiple fields at once. Adjust the text size, change the color, or duplicate them. If you need the same fields for another person, you can simply reassign them to that recipient instead of adding them all over again. Fields also support validation rules. For example, a phone number field can accept only numeric input. You can add similar restrictions for other fields like personal ID numbers. Or create your own custom validations based on your needs. Before sending the document, the sender can switch to preview mode to view it exactly as each recipient will see it. This makes it easy to double-check that all fields are placed correctly, test how they'll appear when filled out, and make any necessary adjustments before sending. Alright, now let's send the document and sign it. My fields are now active, while Olivia's are grayed out. I can't edit hers. Let's fill everything in, choose a date, select a gender, and complete the required fields. If something's missing, the system will remind me before I can sign. Once everything's filled out, I can add my signature. And that's it, my part is done. The information is now visible on the document. And it's been automatically sent to Olivia for her to review and sign. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.